In addition to distributive justice, Aristotle also described corrective justice, which is concerned with balancing unfair advantage. Let's take a look. Corrective justice concerns unfair advantage or undeserved harm between people. Justice demands remedies or compensations to the injured party. Substantive justice concerns just deserts, in other words, the appropriate amount of punishment for a crime. Substantive justice involves the concept of just deserts, or how one determines fair punishment, and procedural justice concerns the steps we must take before administering punishment. Substantive justice refers to the inherent fairness in what we do to people in the name of justice. The concept of retributive justice is one of balance. Justice demands that the criminal must suffer pain or loss proportional to what the victim was forced to suffer. Retributive justice justifies punishment simply because the offender deserves it. However, utilitarian justice supports punishment only if it benefits society. A utilitarian framework of justice would justify punish based on deterrence. In some cases, retributive notions of justice and utilitarian notions of justice may conflict. If a criminal is sure to commit more crime, the utilitarian could justify holding him in prison as a means of incapacitation. But the retributive approach to just punishment would not hold anyone past the equal time to the crime. Deterrence is the primary reason to punish under a utilitarian system, but desert is the only determinant of a retributive justice system. We subscribe to both utilitarian and retributive rationales for punishment. Amid any discussion of the costs and benefits of prison programs, diversion programs, or the correct punishment for different groups, the concept of desert is ever present. We turn now to the procedure of administering punishment, our legal system. Law includes the procedures and rules used to determine guilt, decide punishment, or resolve disputes. It is important to keep in mind that justice and the law are not the same thing. You might think of justice as the concept of fairness, while the law is a system of rules. In our system of justice, due process exemplifies procedural justice. Our constitutional rights of due process, found in the 5th, 6th, and 14th Amendments, require careful inquiry and investigation before punishment or forfeiture of any protected right can be carried out by the state. An individual has the right to due process whenever the government seeks to deprive the person of a protected right of life, liberty, or property. Due process is the sequence of steps taken by the state that is designed to eliminate or at least minimize error. Procedural protections may include the following: notice of charges, a neutral hearing body, cross-examination, the right to present evidence, representation by counsel, statement of findings, and appeal. The importance of treating people fairly and providing due process protections is a theme that runs only through the law, but also through ethics.